Alright, look, so I just wanted to shoot a quick video because I've had a few people asking me this question when they're doing multiple file carves or, for instance, a 3D carve where you have a roughing pass and then you have your finish pass. Okay, I'm just going to demonstrate this with one bit, right? So this is the down cut 60-degree Jenny V-bit. Alright, so I just want to show you something here, right? So let's just say, hypothetically, I was zeroed, okay, to this corner. All right. So you can see I got my bit down at the corner, right? So once you got your X and Y position set, you want to come over to your touchscreen, okay? Some people, now if you're using the Elite, I don't know for that one, but so up here next to your home icon, you have a little pin that almost looks like if you're on like Google Maps, you drop a pin, right? So we're going to click that. And you notice my X, Y, and 0 all went to 0, right? So that means that my X and Y, okay, X and Y are set to right there, and the Z is set to that height, okay? So now what I do for like a 3D carve is I would bring my bit over to an area that is not going to carve, okay? And then I will lower it down, okay, lower it down there. I'm trying to find where my paper is here. Let me set this up here. Sorry. All right. So what I would do then is I'll take my little paper trick, okay? I put a piece of paper under there. Follow me so far? Piece of paper under the bit. I don't use my joystick anymore. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over the touchscreen and I'm going to make sure that I'm on the lowest spot, 0.005. If you don't see that, then where it says units, you want to change it to imperial. It was most likely on metric. Okay, if I put it on metric, see how it goes to 0.1? So we're going to change that to imperial, change it to 0.05, and now you're going to toggle the Z negative. So I'm going to put this back here so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to take my paper. I'm going to get it to where I can hold it. See how I can move it back and forth? Now I'm going to toggle Z negative. I'm going to hit it one at a time until I feel it grab the paper. Okay, I felt it just start, so I'm going to go one more. Now it's there. Okay. Now, I'm going to come over here, and the little icon I told you about right there, only for the Z, we're going to push that, and now our Z changes to 0. You notice X and Y is different. So we're gonna raise this back up. Now, to return to home, this button right in between your arrows, hit that. It's going to ask, would you like to move to the XY origin? Yes, I would. Confirm. And it goes back. Now for 0, you hit Z0. It's going to ask, would you like to move the Z origin? Confirm. Bada bing. Just like that. Okay? Now, let's say we did that for our 1/4 inch bit for a roughing pass. You do your roughing pass, and then you change bits to, let's say, a 1/8 ball nose. You would change your bit. All your X, Y, and Z are all set to a specific spot. So then what you would do is you'd come over to your machine. You would bring your bit over to the same area that we set the Z before, so somewhere around here. I'll sometimes do like a little marker spot. And then you'll lower that down with your ball nose. You'll do the paper trick or probe, whatever you're using. And then you would hit that little toggle for the Z. And now your bit will go back to its original XY with a new Z height since you changed your bit. And then you should be good. All right. Hopefully that's helpful to some people. If it was confusing, drop me a comment. Be more than happy to talk on the side.